Welcome to Lewei, your professional fastener manufacturing partner. Today, I'll introduce you to Lewei's non-standard customization services in 4 simple steps. When you contact us, our professional sales will quickly understand your needs. For example, when we developed a brass shunt, the customer only gave the environment in which the product would be used as well as some vague data and shapes. After the analysis of our technical expert and customer communication, we revised the drawing over and over again. The client finally got the satisfied drawings and the samples he wanted. We will provide a reasonable quotation within 24 hours when you confirm our drawings.
For special and complex products, we can also provide you with solutions.
Lewei's technical and quality inspection personnel will participate in the entire process, from raw material testing to equipment debugging, and even mode design and production. We guarantee to produce the highest quality samples that pass inspection and testing within 15 days, and formalize mass production after customer confirmation. According to the requirements of the order, the production department will formulate the production plan in advance and implement every detail of plan, such as equipment, modes, etc. QA and QC monitor progress and quality throughout the process to ensure efficient delivery of high-quality products. Before packing, final inspection will be conducted, and prior to shipment, authoritative test, material reports, as well as photos of product packaging and loading photos are prepared to ensure that the product packaging is secure and tidy.
Trust in Lewei. We look forward to cooperating with you, welcome your inquiries, and we are ready to provide you with the most detailed quotations.